conversation. We thank Tech Voice Africa so much for giving us this opportunity. They are poised to give technology a voice, and this is an issue of great importance. So I think Dr. Parry is on the line now. Hello, Doctor.
David. Yes.
Good evening, Doc.
Good evening.
How are you?
Fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Doctor, as we discussed earlier, I'm here with a past student, Dennis Quay. He's now a telecommunications specialist and a technology enthusiast.
Yes.
And we are discussing why there's a huge gap between the project works being done in school and actually commercializing them. Dennis is making an argument that these project works are just for the marks. Sir, do you agree?
Okay. Well, first of all, let me say that the main reason for the project is for the students to apply what they've learned to develop something. Okay?
Yes.
And they apply what they've learned to develop their skills, their research skills. So especially those who would want to go further to do postgraduate studies, it will help them. And also those who would want to work in industry, they use what they learned to develop skills that will be needed in industry. So you realize that you have some people designing devices that are used in microwave systems.
Okay.
You also have others solving problems that are needed in industry. Okay, or problems that occur in industry. A few examples I can give. For example, recently we have a student coming out with a smart meter which could be controlled using a mobile phone and many others.
A smart meter, that is our prepaid meters?
A prepaid meter, yes,
Okay.
about 2 years ago.
Wow.
Yes. Now, we expect that after the student has developed these skills, the student will go further to improve upon whatever design he has come out with and then commercialize it. But then it seems as if that after they've done the work and they've obtained their marks, they are no more interested in it. But there are a few that have gone on to improve upon what they've done.
Doc, can you give me examples of such few?
Okay. Well, for example, I know some of our students are into app development.
Okay.
Mobile app development.
Okay.
So those who develop such skills through their project work, they go on to develop apps for people.
Okay. So, Doc, I want to ask, in your earlier statement, you said that they embark on these project works to gain experience and to apply what them pursuing what they've done, or basically the project work for them to be able, so that let's say when Huawei employs them or when MTN employs them, they can work with MTN, or they are doing this project work so that when they are done, they can actually embark on this project themselves and use it as their own, take it as their own project, personal projects.
Okay, yes, it's in twofold. You develop the skill so that if you have the opportunity to apply the skill somewhere, whether in an existing industry or an existing company or in your own company. Okay. For example, if someone develops his programming skills,
okay,
this person can work for an existing software development company or even a company that develops value-added services. Or the person can decide to set up his own business to do that. Okay, so it's in twofold, whether working for someone or working for yourself.
Okay. All right. So, Doc, so do you not agree with the fact that these students ultimately are only care about the marks that they will get, they will be awarded, and that do not look beyond the marks? What is next? Do you agree with the argument Dennis did?
I think I agree, and the reason is that establishing a business takes time. Okay. and most people are not interested in they are not interested in waiting, because for you to take care of your business to reach a level where you can earn comfortably from that business takes some time. Okay, so some people would prefer to rather work in an existing company,
okay,
to earn money. So that's what I think, or that's how I see it. Okay. Yes.
Doc, I think Dennis wants to ask a question.
Okay.
Hello, Doc.
Yes.
Yes. I'm very honored for you to be on the line today. But then
Okay.
this is my take on this.
Okay.
First and foremost, right? For KNUST, I'm aware there's Kumasi Hive.
Yes.
So a lot of students, actually a lot of companies like Farmerline and all those things began in the Kumasi Hive when I was on campus, where they were nurtured into full-bloomed companies. Now we have students who have projects, and if something like the Hive is there, I believe it will provide a nurturing environment for businesses to develop.
Yes.
Also, personally, my own observation is that when I was a student, it was almost impossible to look for older projects which people had done because there wasn't any centralized storage system for projects. And we're in a digital era. We need them to be accessible because it's better to build on older projects than to start from scratch.
Doc,
You mentioned earlier about a project which somebody did, a meter.
Yes.
That project,
Smart meter.
during my year group, somebody did more than that. But then,
Okay.
and I thought this is about 8 years ago, and it could have been commercialized probably 8 years ago. But then it still hasn't really seen the light of day. Aside just maybe the meter, the person did a complete security system, which was activated by GSM. But then all these projects, and our concern right now is they are shelved. So how do we bridge that gap between the university, the faculty, and actually creating the environment for nurturing these ideas? Because all in advanced countries, most of inventions come from the universities. Most of these commercial inventions come from the universities. So what are we not doing right in terms of our universities, or what can we do better?
Okay. Yeah, that's a very good observation and a very good question also. It used to be the case. Okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are here.
Good. Yes, it used to be the case. Now, the reason was that, okay, the university, or let me say faculty, was interested in their progress. Okay. And as far as the progress of faculty is concerned, we publish, and based on our publications, we get our promotion. Okay. Now, in some advanced countries, what normally happens is that if you want to embark on a research that will come out with a prototype,
okay,
there are funds that you apply for to do that. And over here, it's almost non-existent. Okay, but if you want to, there are funds available, but then those funds are purposely for some other research, especially in the health-related areas, natural resources, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
But when it comes to technology, it seems as if the funding is almost non-existent. Okay, but then we've seen that problem, especially as far as student project is concerned. So what we are currently doing is that we have KNUST incubator,
Okay.
which is like the Hive. Okay,
okay,
and what the incubator seeks to do is that innovative projects from students can be nurtured in the Hive. That is one thing that we are doing. And also as a college of engineering specifically, what we are also trying to do is that every year we organize what we call an open day. And during the open day, we invite our industry partners. I think the other time, Huawei was around, and we exhibit some of the things that students are doing. And we expect that by so doing, some industries that are interested will partner with some of the students to work on them. And I must also say that during the project defense, some companies come around. The last one we had, Group Indo, the GN Electronics, sent a representative to be there to observe some of the things that the students are doing. And since they are into electronics, what they normally do is that they identify the few that are very good. They partner with the students to improve upon them. So these are some of the interventions that the university is putting in, so that some of these things can come out. And let me also say that we also have a visibility initiative with so what the committee does is that they find ways to highlight some of the things that the college is doing, not the college alone, but what the university is doing. I understand they do it on GTV, so that others will also see, so that through that they partner the university or students or faculty that are involved in that kind of project.
So, Doc, not to cut you, can I ask?
Okay. Yes.
I have two questions. You mentioned Group Indo.